Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and the sun is shining for a change. No rain, so we're going to get a couple of videos in, dodge the rain. First of all, what I want to show you is this. It's just come in, hasn't been through the workshops, but it does start and stop. Again, all my cars are antiques, and I like to sell them as antiques. When something gets over 50 or 60 year old, you know, it's not a new car, so it'll have little bits and bobs the matter with it. This thing is beautiful. I really love it. It's a 1936 Singer 9 Le Mans Special. So what that means is it was a Singer 9 and somebody's put a Le Mans style body on it, and they've spent an awful lot of money on it. And what a lovely looking car it is. Everything looks to have been rebuilt. Starting at the front here, this beautiful louvered aluminium body. I think the tub could possibly be fiberglass. Again, I'm not sure. We've just took it in. Moving around the cars, you've got your lovely spoke knock on wheels. Coming around the back, pair of spares. Beautiful, absolutely look fantastic. Period spares. All your springs look like they've been wrapped properly in period in Denso. Fuel tank on the back. Got your copper hammer for knocking your spinners on or off. For your wheels. Looks like somebody's made a measuring stick for your fuel tank, which can also come in very handy. It's got a cover here, goes over there to protect you with a zip in the middle. The upholstery looks nice, the dash is nice. There's a couple of bits I would probably change. I mean, these bolts here, these rainwater bolts aren't very good. These want little domed head chrome bolts on. But looking at the car, it looks really nice. Let's move around the front. This is the bit I really like at the front. The headlights and the spotlight really set the car off. And as you can see, we'll go down and have a look at the bits and pieces of suspension. It's all been done. It looks like it's all been powder coated. Nice. And like I say, I will do probably another video on this when we put it up for sale. I'll do a test drive video of it driving. Under the bonnet, again, it's got this period strap, leather strap, which I can't stand because they always scuff the bonnets, and this is no exception. There's a little bit of scuff in there. I'll have a look under this side first. There's the engine, looks nice and clean. Looks like it's had some money spent on it. Fire extinguisher, always a good thing in a classic car, as I can definitely vouch for that. We're on this side. Should be on a set of twin SUs, I think, this car. It won't have been originally, but I think this one has, judging by the sound it made. Yep, twin SUs. Nice manifold, new manifold on there by the looks of things. Looks like it's been done really well. So if you can't afford a real single Le Mans for, in this condition, 30 plus thousand, this could be a good option for you. I'll fire it up, see if she starts. She's on a push starter. There you go. You really need to come and see this car though to appreciate it. Make an appointment. It's got a little bit of history with it. It's VSCC registered, so you can do the period event in it, because I think that's what the guy was going to do in it. But yeah, come up and have a look at the car. I think you'll be impressed. And watch out for their videos on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. Please subscribe to the YouTube videos. It really helps us. And when you subscribe, you'll get an idea of some of the different cars we have. We're not just an ordinary classic car dealer who sells MG, Bs and Minis. We sell everything. Yes, we do sell MGBs, but we sell anything from a 1901 car all the way through to a 2004 car. There you have it. Bye-bye now.